All right, here's a swarm here in Lakeland that I'm about to get out of this tree. Pretty big swarm for this time of year here in Lakeland in May. They usually happen in February and March, but I'm glad to save them. I'm either going to shake them in or cut the branch and put it down there. I was kind of looking for the queen after I knocked them into my box, but so I got to be on the lookout for her to make sure she's inside before I put the lid on, because I have this dial right here set to where only workers can get in and out, but not the queen. So in other words, if I can't put her in the clip, then she needs to be sealed in there to where they can't swarm out of there. So I'm going to look for her and make sure I have this under control, and then I'm going to leave them here until nightfall and come back and get them. But they're all fanning like it's their home sweet home. And look, so far none have come back right here. So that leads me to believe that the queen is down here and either in my box or in this group right here. And I got to make sure they didn't land somewhere else in some other bush, you know, if the queen took off and went somewhere else, but I don't think there's any sign of that. Yep, I think so.